After you've poured all of your peanut butter into your Ziploc bag, go ahead and seal it up. When you get to the very end, just try getting all of the air out of the plastic bag, just like that. Then you're gonna take it into a triangle, tucking both of the sides in. We'll just fold those in. And go ahead and give it a little twist right there at the top, just like that. Now you're gonna see that you have this triangle shape right here, and give it a pinch, let the peanut butter kind of go back, and then you're just gonna clip off just a very little tiny part of that end, just like that. So you want a nice little part of that end right there. Now I have a delicious red raspberry, and look at that. I'm just gonna pour the peanut butter right in the center of that raspberry and place it carefully over here on my baking sheet. And that's it. I have these juicy raspberries for summer, and I'm filling up the center with some yummy peanut butter. I'm just finishing up, filling up my last couple raspberries here. And you guys, look at how easy this is. And you know what? I want to be sure to fill you in on, if you make sure that your raspberries are nice and cold, then the moment that you fill them with the peanut butter, it'll kind of like harden up a little bit right away and solidify. And that way, if you look at all these, look at how good they're staying on the inside. All this peanut butter is just kind of like locked in there. It didn't even drip out at all. And yeah, I think that's for sure because the raspberries were nice and cold. So do that, it'll make it way easier too. Now we are going to add some melted chocolate. Ooh, and you know, I'm just gonna lightly, just like that, you see, I'm just gonna drizzle it really lightly over the top here and just kind of give all those raspberries a little chocolate drizzle. A little chocolate drizzle with a little tiny bite of that peanut butter, and then we have that juicy raspberry, and these are gonna be so good and so guilt-free, you guys. Pop these in the fridge and you grab these when you have a sweet tooth and you won't even feel bad about it. I'm gonna go over these one more time, get these a little bit more chocolate. Wow, look at that. Just kind of drip it all down the center. Ooh, yeah. Maybe get a couple of these really good chocolate. Ooh, that one's mine for sure. Okay, yum. All right, now we're just gonna pop these in the fridge. We're gonna let them sit for a second just so everything solidifies, and you better believe I'm probably gonna eat them all, to be honest. Sorry, babe. Yum, these are indeed ready to eat. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna come right here and I'm gonna get this right in the front. And look at that. Look at how you see the chocolate and the peanut butter inside. Oh my goodness, you guys, I know. I already know. This is like,
Is it divine?
I was just thinking that. I was just gonna say, this is divine. This is a home run. This is so easy. This is delicious. And honestly, this is guilt-free right here. Guilt-free treat. Keep these on hand. Give them a shot. Wow. These are bomb.com. Yes.